How to create and edit categories and memberships. Within the membership section of your system, you can create categories of products from templates or use a DIY build your own option. Here are the quick steps to get started with creating and editing categories in your membership section. Start by navigating to Memberships, Products, and All Products. Click on the Create Product button, or you can click into an existing product. If you're creating a new product, you can choose from 4 different options: Sprint Course, Marathon Course, Membership, or Build Your Own. Click Start Building to create from one of the templates. Start customizing your membership section. You can name a category and give it a description. You can choose whether it's published, drafted, or in drip mode. You can also add a thumbnail. Add a price if you'd like, and you can always edit and customize the details. You can add posts to the category, and you can also do this from the main page as well. Click Save to confirm any changes that you make. Repeat this process for any additional categories that you wish to add, and then you're all set.